Welcome to Creative World. In this video, we will solve Chapter 2 exercise problem number 2.105. While solving this problem, we will be using delta to star conversion formula. Basic equations for the conversion of delta to star connection is provided here. Now move towards the problem. Exercise problem number 2.105. Find the power absorbed by the network in given below figure. This is the circuit diagram of given problem. In this problem, we have to find total power absorbed by this network. So without wasting time, let's proceed towards the solution. First of all, if we observe in this network, two parameters are given. One is the value of voltage source and other one is the values of resistances. And it is asked in the problem to calculate total power absorbed by the network. Pay attention on this sentence. The power of complete network is required, not an individual component. First of all, we will find the equivalent resistance of this complete network. Voltage source value is given, so we will use power formula, that is V square divided by R. In place of R, we will place total resistance of the network, so we will be able to calculate total power absorbed by the network. Before that, we have to find the equivalent resistance of this complete network. For that purpose, we will start from here. These three resistances are connected in delta configuration. So first we have to convert this delta to star configuration so that we can further simplify this network. For that purpose, we will draw a star configuration inside this delta configuration and label the resistances. These three resistances will be labeled as R1, R2 and R3, while the resistances of star configuration will be labeled as RA, RB and RC. Now for the calculation of these three resistances values, we will use delta to star configuration formulas that are provided here. In this case, RA will be equal to the product of R1 and R2 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Similar case will be with RB and RC. Place values inside these equations to calculate respective RA, RB and RC. First of all, RA will be equal to the product of 6 kilo ohm and 2 kilo ohm divided by the sum of all three resistances. So the value of RA will be 0.6 kilo ohm. Similar case will be with RB. RB will be equal to the product of 6 kilo ohm and 12 kilo ohm divided by the sum of all three resistances. So the value of RB will be equal to 3.6 kilo ohm. And RC will be equal to the product of 2 kilo ohm and 12 kilo ohm divided by the sum of all resistances. It will become 1.2 kilo ohm. Now we can replace these three resistances connected in delta configuration to three resistances connected in star configuration with these values. So modify the network. Now these two resistances and these two resistances are converted into series connection. We can find their equivalent resistances by adding the values together. Sum of these two resistances will be equal to 9.6 kilo ohm. Similar case will be here. Sum of 18 kilo ohm and 1.2 kilo ohm will be equal to 19.2 kilo ohm. Modify the network by replacing these two resistances and these two resistances with their equivalent resistances. Now these two resistances are converted into parallel connection. We can find their equivalent resistance by taking the product of both resistances dividing by their sum. So their equivalent resistance will be equal to 6.4 kilo ohm. Modify the network by replacing these two resistances with a single resistance having the value of 6.4 kilo ohm. Now the circuit is simplified. These two resistances are converted into series connection. We can find their equivalent resistance, that will be equal to 7 kilo ohm. Now we have total resistance of complete network, that is 7 kilo ohm. Value of voltage connected across the network is 21 volt, so we can use power equation to calculate total absorbed power by the network. In this case, we will use power equation P is equal to V square divided by R. So the value of V is 21. Take its square divided by total resistance, that is 7 kilo ohm. So the value of power will be 63 milliwatt. 63 milliwatt power is being absorbed by this complete network. So this was exercise problem number 2.105. Thank you. See you again in next video.